Race Across America is a bike race from Oceanside, California to Annapolis, Maryland. The course is over 3,000 miles with 175,000 feet of climbing. Riding non-stop day and night, it's the ultimate test of endurance.
Everybody has to be on point. Every rider, every crew member, it all matters.
In these races, there's this huge mutual respect between what these riders are doing and what the support team is doing. And as we both look at each other, that's the core respect that makes this thing work.
This year we were extremely fortunate to be able to use the BEMER beds, which helped us tremendously in recuperating our energy and eliminating soreness. These beds have really given us an edge this year. This is a BEMER bed. It's very effective for us. We get on it a couple times a day. We actually sleep on it too. And it just increases the circulation in your capillaries. So it heals in recovery and gets us ready for the next day.